Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 58 of Essence of Time. And this challenge is hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts, and this is a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes to craft, you could just see what you could do within that time frame. So far, and I'm still behind, but I'm just going to do 10 minutes today. So far, we've started on the second page of this spread, and we've made like a little pocket or whatever, but I kind of feel like the pocket's not very secure as far as like where the picture of the two coffee cups are. So I want to make it a little more sturdy and then maybe add a word here and something here. So let's see what we can get done in our 10 minutes. So I had the idea that I think I'm going to cut like a piece of black paper and kind of have it going diagonally, going downward. So let me get my paper trimmer, and I'm just going to cut a piece 11 inches by probably, I guess, well, 3 inches so far, and then we're going to see. I might have to cut it down some. Let me just see what that's going to look like, because basically I need it to go behind here and behind part of the yellow and part of this as well. It's going to be connected to it, but yeah, because I think that way this will be more sturdy. So maybe I could kind of have it coming down this way, or maybe I should have it going up that way. I'm gonna have it going up actually, and yeah, I'm gonna take about an inch off, and then I'm gonna tear it going down. So maybe about 2 inches I'll take off. Let me see. Yeah, and it's going to go something like that. And then I'm just going to tear part of this. And then I'm going to tear part of this. And let's see what that's going to look like. That way it's not too bold. Okay, yeah, I like that. So basically, I'm just going to add some glue to here and here, basically to the backs of these. I need this to stick to that, and then I'm adding some glue here as well as right in here. And these are going to stick to this black right here. Let me kind of turn it like this. All right. And I almost stuck my 7. The 7 pretty much did get stuck to here, which, well, you might be able to see it, but there was a little piece of orange that I had to, from this getting stuck to it. Thankfully, Brenda caught it and told me to check my 7 because it was sticking. So thank you for catching that, because that would have messed it up and I wouldn't have had a pocket. So yeah, so now I think this is a little bit more sturdy, and I kind of like that. And then I'm just going to bring this on down. Let me add some glue to this part right here, just to make it a little more sturdy. And then I think I need something coming down this way, because I have a key on this side coming down. I like to have, is it called symmetry? Like where you have, like, if you have something going up, you need something going down and sideways. My shapes and colors, I like contrasting of both, contrasting shapes and colors. All right, so let's see what we're going to use. I don't want too much stuff over here because we've already got this, so I don't want to take from it. But I think this white might look good here. And perhaps I am going to definitely use this. Hopefully this is going to stick because this is that, it's kind of like aluminum, or I don't know if it's real aluminum or not, but it's, you know, the stuff from the inside of your coffee packs. So I'm hoping it's going to stick. If it doesn't, I may have to stitch that on as well, but we shall see. But in the meantime, I do want to go ahead and glue this on. This is not going to be a pocket or anything. It's just simply a decoration. I think it looks good right there. Yeah, we'll glue that down. Hopefully it'll stay. And I'm trying to think, should I put something here or no? First, let's let me use my stencil. I'm going to write the word coffee. Or, well, hold on a minute. We'll use this on another page because I don't want to clutter it up too much, you know. So yeah, let's put the word coffee up here. Where did I put my stencil? Okay, here it is. And I'm going to take my black Posca pen and we're going to write the word stencil. Hopefully this isn't too wide. Stencil. What did I say? Stencil coffee. All right. Or should I put Java? I think I'm going to put Java. Let me see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I want to put it like up this way. J. And then we're going to get a smaller size. A, B, A. Let's see. J. Yeah. J-A. I think I'm going to use another, like a big V. And then I'll use that same little low A. Java, okay. And I like this little swirl, so we'll just see if we can get that in there. That'll work. All right, so I think that's good enough for this page. And let me see, I might put a number or something down here. I have some stickers that have numbers, so maybe I'll use one of these. I thought I had stickers that had numbers. I'm just going to put this on there. I'll do like that. That way it kind of brings in the black, and that right there makes it look like it kind of belongs. Alright, well there's the time, and I think I'm satisfied. So that concludes day 58 of this, of the hashtag Essence of Time. And let me move this out of the way right quick. We have our little layout. So, what do you guys think? So it ties in together, all together with this other page as well. So I'm satisfied. All right, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And check out Ko-Fi too, for those who do like digitals. There are some new listings up there if you're interested that are free. So, but yeah, this is my layout. So I will see you on the next session. Bye.